Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy. Today we have a new case study about how we have helped a brand new e-commerce business get their Google AdWords campaign back on track after facing an account suspension. If you are running the ads and struggling to get the results you want, or if you have ever had your account suspended, this case study will show you how we have turned things around and have helped our client recover and succeed. So grab a coffee, sit back and let's dive into the details. In terms of the client overview and the challenges faced, so let me set the stage for you. Our client was in the wellness space, selling a cutting edge product like a hydrogen water bottle. This innovative product promised to offer powerful hydration and the antioxidants perfect for people looking to improve their health. But despite having an amazing product, they faced some big challenges. First off, their Google AdWords account had been suspended. The reason, payment issues. That's a huge setback when you are trying to scale your business. On top of that, they did not have a necessary tracking tools like the Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics or the Google Merchant Center, which made it really tough to optimize their campaigns effectively. So now the result, their ads were underperforming and they were not generating enough traffic or sales. First thing first, that is the account reinstatement. So from where did we start? The first step was getting their Google AdWords account reinstated. We have worked through the payment issues and made sure that everything was squared away. Then we have added the missing pieces, that is the Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics and the Google Merchant Center. With the GTM and the analytics, we could track important actions on their site like the purchases and the form submissions. This data allowed us to make more informed decisions about which ads were performing well and which ones needed tweaking. And by setting up the Google Merchant Center, we could upload their product data, which would be essential for running the successful shopping campaigns later on. Second thing is Google AdWords campaign creation and the optimization. Once we had everything set up, it was time to work on the Google AdWords campaign. We kicked off the things with search campaigns targeting the high intent keywords like high hydrogen water bottle, portable high hydrogen infused water. These campaigns helped us to reach the people actively searching for a product like theirs, and since we had all the right tracking in place, we could be able to see which keywords were actually bringing in the customers. But we didn't stop there. We have also created the Google shopping campaigns using the product data we have uploaded to the Google Merchant Center. This allowed the client's hydrogen water bottle to appear in the Google shopping network, making it easier for the people to find and purchase their products directly from the search results. Next thing is the bidding strategy and the audience testing. So now to make sure the ads were inefficient, we worked on the optimizing the bids. We have started with the manual CPC to control the cost, but soon switched to the target CPA once we had enough data to let Google optimize it automatically. Audience testing was also a key part of our strategy. We have targeted specific customer segments based on the factor like the demographic interest and the search intent. For example, we have focused on the health conscious individuals, gym goers and those interested in the wellness trends. After testing these different segments, we were able to narrow down to the most profitable ones and optimize for the better conversions. Next is the Performance Max campaign. These campaigns are designed to reach the customers across all Google properties from the YouTube to Gmail to the Google Display Network. We ran two types of PMax campaign, one with the creative assets like the images, headline, the videos, and one with only the product data from the Merchant Center. The asset-based campaign performed really very well because we could have shown off the product in action, which made it much more appealing. The product only campaign was streamlined and showed to users the product directly in the Google Shopping Network. This gave us two ways to reach the potential buyers, and we could track which one worked best. The next is the remarketing campaign, but we didn't stop at just bringing in the new customers. We have also set up the remarketing campaign to bring the people back who had previously visited the website but did not convert. These ads reminded users about the hydrogen water bottle, offering a special discount or incentive to come back and complete their purchase. It's a super effective way to capture those who are still on the fence. So now in terms of the result, so after 3 months of optimization, the client achieved $25,000 in terms of monthly sale with the ROAS of 5.6. Sales increased by 35% and the overall purchases grew significantly. The client is now very happy with these results and is now eager to promote their products across social media to further boost their growth. This case study shows how a tailored data-driven approach can turn challenges into exceptional results. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. You can share your PPC account access. Once we have the access, we will be able to do the audit. We can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. This audit will be free of cost at first, but on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. You can still contact us through WhatsApp or on a website. You can just share with us some basic information. It can be like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can share with you the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.